Are you a gamer who uses PC to run your games? And after a while playing your games, you realized that you have spending a lot of time playing your games using a cheap membrane keyboard. Then this video is perfect for you because we will be talking about mechanical keyboard. Due to the growth of modern technologies, there are many new careers that started to exist, such as being a gamer. PC or personal computers is one of the most popular devices to play your games on. There are many important components to be used for the computer, such as the PC itself, a monitor, a mouse, but today we will be talking about the keyboard, since it is one of the main ways to control your computer. We will be talking about a keyboard that is called Redragon Lakshmi R606K mechanical keyboard. One of the reasons why mechanical keyboard is always well known among gamers are because of the perks that are provided inside of this product. One of them being this keyboard are hot swappable. Hot swap is a term to be used by gamers to tell people how easy it is to take off one of the keys and replace it if you wanted to modify the keyboard itself. Each key is made with a high quality polymer which is very comfortable to use, and the case itself is made out of high quality plastic, which is very important because it will protect the mechanical part of the keyboard. Now I will demonstrate how to use this keyboard. Well, it is very easy. First, you need to connect the keyboard with a wire to your computer. Well, as you can see, it is starting. Well, some of you might realize something. This keyboard is smaller than the normal keyboard that we always use. Well, this keyboard is 60% smaller than usual membrane keyboards. Then how do I use some of the symbols that I want that are normally inside of the keyboard? Well, I will show you how. First, you will be pressing Fn1 key, and then you will press any of the symbols that you wanted, such as F4 maybe, or arrow down, or plus. That is how. Okay, press it and then press at the same time, press the same symbol. Sure, it is a bit troublesome to do some work, but for me, it is quite easy since it's just an extra step to do your work. Now, I want to demonstrate how efficient this keyboard is. I will use a website that is called Type Test. Continue, please. That test was great. I did miss some words, but it is my own flaw. Moving on, we will be talking about the pros and cons of this product. For the pros, this keyboard is smaller compared to the Office or the membrane keyboard. Since it is smaller, it takes less space in your workplace. Other than that, this keyboard is very durable and resilient. A simple drop or a bash will do nothing towards it. Sure, it is durable and resilient, but that doesn't mean it is invincible. Some of these keys could break down, but one of the pros is that you could replace the key very quickly. Let me show you. Done. Look. Immediately I replaced it with a new key. Now we will be talking about the cons. Sure, there is no such thing as perfection. Everything has its own flaw, including this keyboard. Firstly, one of the cons is this thing is not portable whatsoever. It is very thick and also quite heavy. Compared to a simple thin laptop, it is not made to be portable. Secondly, this thing is not wireless. As you can see, the wire always need to be intact with the computers, and it could be a mess and hard to be kept clean. Speaking of clean, it is quite difficult to keep this thing clean. Sure, I have access to the inside of it, but since it's going to stay on your table, just going to take all of the dust, and yeah, cleaning it is quite annoying. And last but not least, this thing is obviously not waterproof. Since any type of liquid could disturb the mechanical parts of the computer. If there is anything that could be improved for this product, I think that it should be made to be more portable and easier, since it has the specialty of being small, and I believe that it could be better if it is also portable. For the comparison, we will be comparing this mechanical keyboard with another keyboard from Alcatraz Xcraft XKBK 100. This is a membrane keyboard, 100%. Why did I say 100%? Because it's the full size of a computer, and that is also one of the flaws of the design. It is much bigger compared to this keyboard. It takes a lot of space. Secondly, the quality of this keyboard is less reliant compared to this keyboard. You can see that this thing has much more weight, and as you can see, it is very durable. I'm trying to bend this thing. It's very tough, but this thing, you can see it's bending. You can see that it's bending. This thing could snap anytime soon. Third, this keyboard is not hot swappable. I have tried to hot swap one of the keys. After that, this key is not working no more. I am not even joking. It doesn't work. Alright, that is all for comparison. I really recommend this product for gamers who want to spend a fair amount of money for a keyboard. I myself have used this keyboard for over 2 years, and there are no problems since. The RGB light is one of the aesthetical value, since it is also a very functional thing if you want to play it during the night. There are also many variants of switches that you could choose out there. There are so many different switches, and each one of them has their own specialty. The key that I used is red switch. The specialty of that one is quite silent and very satisfying to type on. There are many variants of switch, such as blue, brown, some pink, yellow, and each one has its own specialty. Overall, I rate this product a 4.5 out of 5. Sure, this product is great, but there's no such thing as perfection, since perfection is only an end to pursuit. Now, we are reaching the end. In conclusion, this product is perfect for a gamer who want to spend a fair amount of money so that this keyboard could help them with their gaming session. They sure will be satisfied with the product because of the quality of this product and the sound that this product could produce. I have shown you the details of the product. I have shown you the way to use it, compare it with another product, and the pros and cons of this keyboard. I hope that this video will help you to enjoy the best gaming experience.